The sewer's right there. There's one there and one there. This is Town Westchester, helps people out. There, you see the bubbles?
Alright.
There's that one.
Here, I'll get this one. I'll get it.
Oh, there it is.
Because if we don't clear it, we don't know when the village is going to be here.
Right.
And then if it gets so bad, we'll have to go out and close it. We've got that so bad. I don't know if you were here back in 2000.
Yeah.
We had to open up the one right in the middle of her driveway.
In the middle of the what?
Right in
driveway. There's a sewer
one
there, too.
Because
This one's getting...
the sewers were so filled up, they couldn't take any more water.
Wait,
There's one right in the middle.
oh.
Yes, we have to, but we have to open the cover.
Yeah, because it's one
If
that
we
doesn't...
didn't do that many years ago, a lot of these houses would have been under.
There's one here too. The bubbles are coming up.
Ted.
No, that's coming up through the ground.
It's not a drain.
Yeah, it's not. That's just the ground. Holes in the ground. Bubbling up. Try the next one.
We're not doing any good?
Well,
We are a little bit,
a little bit.
but not a lot.
Where's it at?
It's right here. It's coming right here. That's the ground. It's going through the ground. Because there's no sewer there.
We have to actually open it. I got a big crowbar that will open it right now.
That's the spot. That's the one that's holding it.
I think it's we got it cleared out, but it's not going down. But if worst comes to worst, we're gonna have to open that one. Yeah, I guess it rained earlier.
Yeah, it's going down here. Yep, it's going down. There's nothing on it.
It's not clogged?
Not clogged.
And it's not still not going down?
It is a little bit. You see? A little whirlpool. Yeah, there's one there. There. I think there's one over there. You know what? There's one there too. I'm pretty sure.
No, there is.
No? This is not as bad as it was 8 years ago. It was even higher.
It was even higher.
It went down her garage. Her whole basement went down.
Yeah.
It's going through the ground.
Oh, okay. It's going.
Yeah, that one's going down
That
a
one's
little
going
bit.
down. What was that?
There, look at it now.
Yeah.
That one's going down now.
So you were here back then. You seen when the car was underwater over here and it was almost up to that tree.
Yeah, that's a sewer.
It's full. It's full.
Of debris or just water?
It's not going down anymore.
Then we're gonna have to open that one. That's the one we're gonna have to open.
Kind of stand back to get to the boat.
Yeah, because it's gonna go crazy. Very crazy.
I got a gigantic crowbar.
Okay, let me get over here. Yeah, it's gonna all go crazy with this one.
Yeah, but it's only gonna take a couple inches down. What I'm gonna do, well, it's kind of going down,
Yeah.
But not a lot.
but I'm gonna lift the cover. Okay?
Then everybody's got to run back.
No, it's not gonna suck us down. But last time it was, we were all covered here. You know what I'm saying? I'll go get a crowbar and just lift it.
But if it's going down, is that
Well,
okay?
it's going down, but
Little bit at a time. Because if you open it all the way up,
I'll
a lot
just
of it's
lift-
in a rush in.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah, you don't have to open it all the way. Just open it around, you see? Just like move it over
No,
here.
that's all I have to do is stick it in here and just lift it.
Yeah, you don't have to take it all the way off.
If it's another blast of rain.
No, it's still going. Now we need to throw fish in here and start fishing.
Timmy, I think there's another one somewhere.
Yeah, there's one there, there. No, there's not. Those little bubbles are the it's going underneath the concrete. There's Tony.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, guys. See all? Wait, do you guys see that bubble right there? It's sinking into the concrete. It's going everywhere. So cold. What if it doesn't come through? It's turning left. That one's definitely not coming through. Nobody's stupid enough to come through. Oh, let's look over here. It's going down. It's going down. It's almost up to my knee. Here. No, you hold it. It's yours.
Just go up to that end and come back.
I
Just take it and come back. It's not deeper. Just stay straight.
Look at how far down it goes. It's farther on camera than it is in person. I'm almost at the end. I was just over there. It's clogged over here too. I feel like I'm gonna walk back on the sidewalk because this is a lot. I'm gonna go back, but over here because I don't want to step in there.
Guys, the street has flooded again. This is my most requested video again. If it happened again, be sure to subscribe and like for more. Come on, guys. It's pretty big this side. This time there's 2 flooded streets. 1 flooded street, but there's 2 flood. So we're gonna go on drain the flood again. This is the 3rd time this has happened. But when this car moves, just go in the street. Watch it come out, ready? All this muck. Wow, guys. Be sure to subscribe, guys, because I will be uploading more if this ever happens again. Got my boots this time again. Look at it, guys. Here we go. The street's almost all drained. See, the people put their garbage, you know, they put it like this, and it gets stuck in the sewer. I mean, you can see all that stuff I pulled out. I mean, it's a little pretty, still flooded. Look at it all go up. You can hear it, guys. That street's drained over there. See, the people, they just throw their garbage like this. Well, guys, the street has flooded again, and it's being drained now. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. I see all your mean comments on the other videos, but please be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'm almost at 7,000 subscribers, and I would appreciate a subscription from you guys. Here's the street there, flooded, but it's the third time now the street flooded. So I'll guys catch you on the flip side. See you later, guys. Hey everyone, it's Timmy back again. The street is flooded again. Here we go. This happened last time. Went crazy when I filmed it. It's not as big as now. It's not as big now, but it will be because it's gonna keep raining. That sewer is not filled yet. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see, there's stuff on it. So I'm gonna get a big skewer stick and we're gonna drain the flood, guys. We're gonna really do it this time. Yeah. So I'm gonna catch right back and get something to drain the flood. Okay, bye. And look at this. As you can see, I'm gonna take this and I'll show you guys. Look at this. There, look at this. All the water. It's all gonna go this way and drain. It always gets blocked, but as you can see, it's a pretty not as bad as last time it flooded. It's just on the side of the street, but as you can see, it's still flooded. There's the whirlpool. Look at this. Now it all goes. There we go, guys. Almost drained the whole flooded street. We're gonna wait till it all drains.
All the smoke.
Right here, there's debris, so we're gonna scrape the debris off. We're gonna come over and film the bubbles and the whirlpool. As you can see, the bubbles, people throw their garbage in the street. Now look at this. As you can see, the whirlpool, and look at this. As you can see, I'm going to take this and I'll show you guys. Look at this. There, look at this. All the water. It's all going to go this way and drain. It always gets blocked, but as you can see, it's a pretty, not as bad as last time it flooded. It's just on the side of the street. But as you can see, it's still flooded. There's the whirlpool. Look at this. Now it all goes. There we go, guys. Almost drained the whole flooded street. I'm gonna move this out of the way. And get this out of the way. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah, just clear it off. Because the dirt gets in the drains and it blocks it. water rushing. It's all going to come down from there and work its way there. My dad's going to go clear that other drain. You hear all the water rushing. We're gonna wait till it all drains. It looks like the sewer's gonna get backed up and it's gonna flood again, I think. But we'll soon find out. I know a lot of people said in my other video that it was satisfying to watch this. So there you go, guys. Well, there it is. The street's drained. And that's it. I would appreciate you liking and subscribing maybe. And thanks, everyone. Bye. Still getting blocked. There's so much mud and debris. Let me help this one better. It's still raining. It hasn't stopped. But I think we're getting a lot of progress getting it drained. Sorry guys, the video's not that good. It's me doing it myself. But I'm gonna go get a few people to help me out and we're gonna continue back with you guys, okay? See you guys in a minute, bye. Hey guys, it's me, Timmy's Videos, back again. Be sure to subscribe. The street is flooded again. So I gotta go help everyone and unflood the street. So I'm going to find my light right here, so I can get my scraper, but it happened again. The street is flooded, so I've got to go clear it. I got to put this umbrella down. I can't do it with the umbrella. I got to grab a shovel because the scraper's gone. But I'm going to help the neighborhood and drain that flooded street. As you can see, this time it's dark. Very flooded, oh my God. Whoa! Whoa, guys. Jeez. I'm all by myself this time, guys. We got... Holy cow. This is huge. Look at this. Oh my God, look at... Whoa, it's in the grass. Holy cow. Look at, there's the leaves. We're gonna clear that, but I'm gonna show you guys how far deep it's going. Oh my God, guys. Look at that, compared to my boots. Look at this. Look at that. Holy cow. Guys, this is terrible. Whoa, this is the worst it's ever been. Holy cow. We're gonna drain this flooded street, guys. As you can see, there's the... Sorry my camera's getting wet and you guys are just seeing the water on the lens, but the street is very, very bad. So we gotta flood it. Just me this time. This happened a couple times before. Look at how deep this is. It's actually almost over my boot. Wow. Look at it, this is the grass. Holy cow. Look at this, this is almost... So I gotta... The rain's still coming down. The car's gonna drive through it. So, we're gonna drain this flooded street, guys. There's a car gonna come down there, so we're gonna go through it. There's a police van gonna go through the street right there. Look at it. Police car's going. Oh my God. This is gonna be a big one to drain, guys. Let me just wipe my camera. So we're gonna go full speed and we're gonna drain the flooded street again, guys. This has happened again. It happened a few times already. I'm all by myself filming and draining. So, yeah. And as you can see, the camera's getting soaked. I hope you guys can still hear me. But we're gonna drain the flooded street now. Okay. Let me go find the drains. Oh my God. It's the worst it's ever been. Here's the drain right here. There we go. That's one of them. One of the drains. Here's another one. Right here. This is a big one. Can't say I'm not doing anything this time, everyone. Oh, this is a big flood. doing this all one-handed, pretty much. This is clogged again. Let me get this flashlight. Hold on, one. Now we get the bubbling again. Back of this. I'm going to clear this. This water's probably about 2 foot. So we got some more. Scrape this off. It's still not going down yet fully. The other sewer's right here. This one. There, you can see it. It's on the people's grass. You can see this. You know, I'm on the grass now. You know, it's good to help people out. Know when out here, and if this goes all night, everybody's houses are going to be flooded. So I'm going to help everyone out. Try my best to get this solved a little bit better. Over here, it's underneath my whole boot. Oh my gosh. Let me scrape at it more. There, this is where it is. There, look at it.